Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of healthy eating and delicious recipes. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of buckwheat. This humble grain has been around for centuries, but it's time we give it the spotlight it deserves. Now don't be tricked by the name, buckwheat isn't wheat at all. It's actually a seed, and the best part, it doesn't have gluten, so it's perfect for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Buckwheat is a powerhouse of nutrients like protein, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy body and can help you feel your best every day. It has more protein than rice, millet, or corn, which is great if you want more protein. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes, and supporting immune function. It also has magnesium, which is good for your muscles and heart. Magnesium helps with muscle function, energy production, and maintaining a healthy heartbeat. And if you're worried about inflammation or high blood pressure, buckwheat can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall well-being. Okay, now that we know it's healthy, let's cook. Cooking with buckwheat is easy and versatile, and you can incorporate it into a variety of dishes. Here are 2 easy recipes to get you started. First, buckwheat porridge. This comforting dish is perfect for a nutritious breakfast that will keep you full and satisfied. It's a warm breakfast that will keep you full. You can customize it with your favorite toppings to make it even more delicious. Next, a buckwheat salad. Cook some buckwheat according to the package and let it cool. Mix it with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add some herbs, olive oil, and lemon juice. Add salt and pepper and you have a yummy salad. It's a versatile dish that you can enjoy as a side or a main course. Great for lunch or a light dinner. This salad is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized. Try these recipes and tell me what you think in the comments. I love hearing your feedback and seeing how you make these recipes your own. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.